Hey, we're in the shop today doing a how-to video on how to index your Gilman grip oar handles into your composite oar. Alright, for indexing your Gilman grip, we're going to start with a 2-inch piece of masking tape, and we're going to put it at the end of the oar so that we can clearly see where our marks will be. Then we're going to block up the oar to get the donut off the table. And we're going to use approximately a 1-inch block to put a mark at the top of the oar, which is on my side. It'll be where the button is. Then we're going to flip the oar over. Now you'll be able to see the mark here. And we're going to remark it, twisting any slop or play that would be in there out. And you're going to end up with either one mark or two marks very close together, and that's going to be your indexing mark for your Gilman grip. That mark is going to line up with the second indexing mark on the grip. So when we put that together, you're going to spin it like that.